The first exercise I'm going to be doing today are called stability ball dead bugs. You're going to start off on your back. Your hands are going to be stacked above your shoulders and your knees are going to be bent in line with your hips. Your toes are going to be flexed towards you and you're going to hold the ball in place with one knee and both arms while you extend the other leg out and away from you and bringing it back to center. In order to make sure that your core stays engaged and your lower back is not lifting and arching up off the floor, you want to squeeze that belly in as if you're trying to crumple up a bag of chips and then pull that bag of chips into your spine. Now, if that is too easy for you, this is the progression. You're going to go opposite arm and leg extending out and away from your body and then coming back to center. You want to exhale on the effort here, so anytime that you're lowering your leg away from you, you want to exhale and then inhale when you bring everything back to close. Moving on to our next exercise, I have named these stability ball adductor hip hinges. We are working our inner thighs here. You will want to hold the stability ball in between your lower half of your legs, really squeezing that ball tight. Toes are up flexed towards you, and you're not bending and unbending the leg here. You're literally just hinging the legs away from you and then up towards your hips and then down to the floor. This exercise is seriously going to challenge your transverse abdominis, so your deep internal core muscles, as well as your pelvic floor. So if you feel your lower back arching, regress this exercise by not bringing the ball fully to the floor, but instead stopping it when you feel your back arch. Our next exercise is a regression of a ab wheel rollout. You're going to be using a stability ball instead here, and you're going to roll out from your knees. I like to start with my butt touching my heels, and then I extend my body out and away from me. You'll notice that I'm going to be dropping my butt down so that I'm in a plank position. A lot of people tend to keep their butt up. That is not going to engage your core. You need to drop your butt down so it is in line with the rest of your body, and extend those arms a little bit away from you as you roll out. Next up, we have one of my favorite exercises, especially to do it with a TRX, but today we're working with the stability ball. These are just knee tucks. You're going to have your feet on the ball in a plank position, so you want to make sure that your hands are right underneath your shoulders. Make sure that your butt is not dropping too far down. Squeeze those glutes tight, squeeze that belly tight, and then bring your knees towards your chest and extend your legs back out behind you. Then last but not least, we're going to be doing a plank hold, and these are a little bit more advanced since the ball is an unstable surface, so it's going to challenge your core to stay tight and not wiggle around. And if that is too easy for you, you can progress this by doing a stir the pot. So you're going to move your arms on the ball counterclockwise and then the other direction clockwise. Now that is it for today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.